International benchmarking. In 2018, the Philippines had an average score of 340 in reading, 353 in mathematics, and 357 in science. In 2022, the Philippines had an average score of 347 in reading, 355 in mathematics, and 356 in science. The Philippines PISA scores in reading, math, and science saw little change between 2018 and 2022, though its ranking improved. This slight progress may be due to initial reform efforts and pandemic resilience. However, persistent issues like poverty, underfunding, and systematic problems continue to hinder significant improvements, resulting in a notable learning gap compared to other countries. In 2018, Vietnam scored 505 in reading, 496 in mathematics, and 543 in science in PISA. In 2022, Vietnam scored 462 in reading, 469 in mathematics, and 472 in science. Additionally, Vietnam consistently performed well in the teams. Vietnam's PISA scores fell in 2022, unlike their strong team's results. This drop mirrors a global trend and pandemic effects. The different focus of PISA, or the skill application, versus teams, or the curriculum. Past PISA, data issues, socioeconomic factors, and teaching methods might explain this. Still, Vietnam's PISA performance remained decent globally. Now, let us dive into the global competitiveness. We have the performance in global rankings. In 2018, the Philippines ranked 73rd out of 78 participating countries in PISA. In 2022, the Philippines ranked 77th out of 81 countries. The Philippines slide in PISA ranking from 73rd to 77th between 2018 and 2022, despite fairly consistent average scores, indicates that other countries likely showed greater improvements or smaller declines in their educational performance. The inclusion of more participating countries in 2022 also contributed to this shift. So while the Philippines' absolute scores didn't drastically fall, its relative standing decreased because other countries or other nations progressed more. However, in 2022, Vietnam ranked 34th out of 81 countries. Vietnam was ranked 59th globally for education according to the US News and World Report in 2021. In 2024, Vietnam had the second highest number of registered users on the Khan Academy, an online learning platform globally. Vietnam shows strong secondary student performance in reading, math, and science according to the 2022 PISA ranking, 34th out of 81. Its broader education system ranks might not that high globally, 59th in the 2021 according to the US News and World Report. The country has a high number of Khan Academy users, indicating a strong interest in online learning, which could lead to future educational gains. The different rankings offer distinct perspectives on Vietnam's educational standing. Now, we have the contribution to the international academic research. In the Philippines, growing research productivity. The scholarly output of Filipino researchers from multiple disciplines is on the rise. The growing figure of PhD holders and the scrutiny of the faculty promotion process regarding research incentives are driving this expansion. High citation impact. Research originating from the Philippines demonstrates a commendable citation impact in certain fields. Next is accredited and indexed journals. Philippine-based academic journals that are gaining recognition through indexing in the international databases such as ASEAN Citation Index, ACI, Scopus, and Web of Science. Next is international recognition. Filipino scholars are increasingly being recognized internationally through awards, invitation to speak at global conferences, and participation in international research consortia. International collaboration. A significant portion of high-impact research from the Philippines involves collaboration with researchers from other countries, particularly in Southeast Asia, North America, Europe, and Australia. Faculty and student exchange. Increased opportunities for faculty and student exchange programs with universities abroad contribute to the internationalization of research. Last is the joint research projects. Filipino researchers are actively involved in joint research projects funded by international organizations and collaborations with foreign universities. These projects address global challenges and leverage the unique strengths of perspectives of Filipino researchers. So we have here the focus of the research. First is the education, social sciences, health, environmental studies, natural sciences, and technology. We have the Vietnam's contribution to the international academic research. First is the Vietnam Academy of Science and Technology, or the VAST, a major contributor to the country's scientific output and has established numerous international collaborations. Next is they are also a member of nearly 100 international science and technology organizations and established relationships with over 90 countries and international bodies. Also, involved in numerous international science and technology agreements, contracts, and bilateral research projects across various fields. VAST significantly contributes to international research through its broad global network and active participations in numerous international science and technology collaborations across diverse fields, fostering knowledge exchange and advancing scientific progress. The focus of the research is on the biological, agricultural, sciences, medicines, and mathematics. Now, let us delve into the partnerships of the Philippines with international institutions. First, we have the Transnational Education Act. It allows foreign universities to provide educational services in the Philippines by partnering with local institutions or establishing campuses with a minimum 60% of local ownership requirement. It also enables Philippine higher education institutions to establish branch campuses abroad. Next is the Global Partnership for Education, or the GPE, aims to promote equitable and inclusive quality education for all children in the Philippines and address the impact of the pandemic on education. We also have the bilateral and multilateral agreements. It fosters cooperation in various fields, including education and research. These agreements can facilitate faculty and student exchange, joint research projects, and the recognition of qualification. Asia-Pacific Partnerships, facilitated by the ASEAN University Network, or the AUN, and various educational exchange programs. The adoption of AUNQA standards also promotes quality assurance and comparability across the regions. Lastly, we have the North and South American partnerships. The Philippines has strong historical and cultural ties with the United States, resulting in many educational exchange programs like Fulbright and university collaborations. Partnerships with Canada are also increasing, facilitated by the CHED and the Canadian Embassy, focusing on professional development and strengthening educational institutions. Now, let us talk about the partnership of Vietnam with international institutions. First, the German-Vietnam Higher Education Cooperation. The long-standing German-Vietnam higher education partnership aims to strengthen Vietnam's system through academic exchange, joint research, curriculum development, and establishing German standard programs in Vietnamese universities. Next is the UK-Vietnam education links, focusing on quality assurance, transnational education, and skills development. We also have US-Vietnam higher education collaboration. US-Vietnam higher education collaboration aims to enhance research capacity, promote academic exchange, which is facilitated by programs like Fulbright, and develop joint degree programs. These initiatives often involve partnerships between specific universities supported by government programs and private foundations with cooperation in STEM fields, business administration, and social sciences. Next is the international branch campuses. Vietnam hosts branch campuses of international universities, primarily from countries like Australia and the UK. Examples are RMIT University Vietnam and British University Vietnam, or the BUV. Next is the Pathway Programs. Program provides a more accessible and sometimes more affordable route to international education. Next is the Khan Academy, a non-profit educational organization providing free online educational resources. We also have Global Partnership for Education, or the GPE, strengthen Vietnam's education system, focusing on equitable access and quality improvement, particularly in basic education. International Association for Quality Assurance in Pre-Tertiary and Higher Education, an international independent quality assurance agency that accredits educational institutions and programs globally. Lastly, the Cambridge University Press and Assessment. This includes curriculum development, teacher training, and the provision of educational resources and assessments, particularly in English language education.